Good morning, and first of all I want to say Happy New Year to you all. This is the first video of 2026 and it could be the best one of the year so far, who knows. Saginaw. And if you remember, the last video we did of the year 2025 was of Tadoussac, which was a front wheelhouse freighter. Well, this is the same. But there's some ice clearing operations going on here, so the ship must be having problems getting out of the lock, and they got the McKeil tugboat here moving stuff out. So I'm going to quickly get the drone up and try and get some footage for you. So let's do this. So the McKeil just cleared the ice from the channel here to let Saginaw out, and she's now on the move. And I just brought the drone back down for a little bit because it's quite breezy here and I don't want to lose it. But as the ship gets a bit closer to this bridge, we'll get the drone up again, get some nice shots before heading into Port Colborne. And by the way, it is bitterly cold today. It is -5 and there is a bit of a breeze, which makes it feel like -13 in the wind chill right now. So I should put my gloves on, but it's hard to control the drone when I'm wearing gloves, and I don't like doing that. So anyway, Saginaw will be here very shortly.
Emerging slowly from an ice-lined Lock 8 on the Welland Canal is the MV Saginaw, one of the familiar workhorses of the Great Lakes. Built for year-round commerce, the Saginaw is a US flag self-unloading bulk carrier operated by Lake Steamship Company, designed to move essential cargoes like iron ore, coal and stone, and she plays a critical role in keeping industry moving across the Great Lakes system. Even in winter conditions like this, with ice clinging to the walls of the locks and the water churning below, the Saginaw presses on, her powerful engines and reinforced hull built for exactly these moments. Scenes like this are a reminder that the Great Lakes shipping doesn't stop when winter arrives. Though ice, cold and tight confines, vessels like the MV Saginaw keep the heart of North American trade beating.
Alright, here she is, Saginaw. I got the drone right above us, just up there somewhere. Keeping it pretty close to me because the winds are pretty gusty, so if anything happens, it'll fall right on me. But here she is. It looks like they got blowers going on in the canal there, in the lock. Can you notice that? The water bubbling up in front of the vessel, which I only presume is to clear the ice away. So that's pretty cool to capture on the drone. But this beautiful old vessel is just amazing to look at, absolutely amazing. Saginaw, one of the last greats on the lake. Glad I caught this. Unexpected. I didn't know it was in Port Colborne, but I didn't know it was here when I was driving through. So a great capture for sure. down at Bridge 21. Unfortunately, they're chopping trees down, so it's quite loud around here, which is a shame, because we're going to miss out on some good action here as Saginaw comes on in into the icy harbour of Port Colborne. You just see all the ice moving around really fast in the wind. The winds have really picked up. I mean, I had to get the drone back down because the wind warning was going off. Here comes Saginaw now, pushing through the ice. A lot of banging. It's the crew I can see hammering something down as they're walking along. Look at that, just plowing through the ice. Looks like they're banging ice off the boom. Can you see them there on the boom? I don't know if ice is falling off or just rust. Now that was a cool way to start off 2026, it really was. Really enjoyed that. Saginaw heading back out onto Lake Erie and probably doing one last run, no doubt, before she goes to winter layup. But it's good to see her up here. I've not seen Saginaw for quite a while, so it's good to see it again. All right, hope you enjoyed that video. Until the next time, stay safe. See you all very soon.